channel. So this is exercise 10.1 mensuration. Okay, this is one of the very important chapter for grade 10 students who are preparing for your public examinations. Okay, so please go through this series of videos about this chapter mensuration. Okay, so see, the question given is a joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone whose base radius is 7 centimeters and height is 24. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such cups. Okay, now he's telling cone. Okay, so just draw a cone. This is like a cone, right? So now we'll write the given conditions what he has given for us. Okay, so given is first thing what he gave for us is here the radius. So radius is given by r 7 centimeters and he gave height. So height is h is equal to 24 centimeters. So we have this formula. Okay, therefore the slant height of the cap is given by slant height is given by the letter L. Okay, so this is the formula. L is r square plus h square root of. So do this, 7 square plus h square is 24 square. So this is around 49 plus 5 76. This becomes root 625, that is 25. So you got the L value, right? L is 25 centimeters. So see, according to the question, this is the height. So this is 24 and this is the radius. So this is 7. Okay, you have to draw this figure, okay, for clear understanding. Okay, and now he's telling us to find the area. Area means obviously lateral surface area. So lateral surface area of cone. The formula is pi RL, right? We have pi 3.14, R is given, L we found out just now. This value is 22 by 7 or 3.1 for your wish. R is 7 into L is 25. So this answer become 550 centimeters square, and these units are also important. Okay, now he's telling us to make how much area is required for making 10 such caps, right? So how much area is required for 10 caps is into 10 if we multiply this. So area for 10 caps is this, 10 into 550, that is 5500 centimeters square. That's all. Okay, in second question we'll see. This is little in the question, but the answer is very easy to solve. Okay, a sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders for packing shuttlecocks. Okay, the required dimensions of the cylinder are 35 centimeter length and height, and its radius should be 7 centimeters. Find the required area of the thick paper sheet needed to make 100 cylinders. He is asking how many these papers are required to make this shuttlecocks. Okay, so we'll see. First I start writing with the given condition. So already he gave cylinder, so I have drawn the cylinder first. Okay, then write the given conditions. So the given condition is radius. He has given radius is 7 centimeters and he said height is also 35. Okay, 35 centimeters. Now we have to find the, what is telling, prepare 100 cylinders for shuttlecocks. Okay, now he gave, when all this, he required area, complete area he needs now. Okay, so that means total surface area of cylinder. Okay, complete area we need, right? So that's why total surface area 2 pi r plus h. All right, so substituting all values we have into 7 divided by 7 plus 35. So this value is around 1848 centimeters square. Okay, this is TSA. Now this is what you got. See, and I forgot to draw this. So this is the height. Height is 35 h, and radius he told us, radius is somewhere here 7 centimeters. Okay, now we already got the area value. How much it is needed to make for 100? That is nothing but area of 100 cylinders required, what he told. Okay, that is 100 into 1848, that comes under 184800 centimeter square. If you want to convert it into meters, you can just stop till here. If you want to convert it into meters, just divide it by 1848. This is centimeter square, no? So divide it by 100 into 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, right? So if you solve completely this one, that will become around 18.48 meters square. This is the area of 100 cylinders. They need these many thick papers. Okay, I mean this much area of thick papers. Okay, this is clear, right? I think it is clear to understand. If you have still any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And if you want some other topics also to be explained, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.